Good morning, this is Adele Bautista at adelsphotos.com. Today is a special day for me, and I wish you all happier and healthier days and times with family and friends. I am working on this image that I am sharing on screen as a reminder that self-care is muy importante. It is important. It is okay to be kind to yourself. And hopefully I can turn this image into a video and post it on my YouTube channel here. For now, I have a request, and please take an inventory and ask yourself the question, what makes me happy? At least do one thing that makes you happier each day. I have all these pieces of life on screen, and for me, these are the minimum pieces that I juggle day in, day out, and sometimes they all have varying degrees of intensity. And the image, I would like you to look at it and think of yourself as the green triangle in the center. This is your core, your very being. So please, take an inventory and ask yourself, what makes you happy? And do that at least one thing every day. I will post the video when it's finished, but for now, thank you for your time watching and listening, and I wish you a very great day, a very great week, and a great month, and a great 2023. Thank you again. Again, my channel is at adelsphotos.com.